Done a little trip to Florida. Stopped at a couple thrift stores along the way. Picked up a few items. Nothing spectacular, but some decent stuff. Just thought I'd do a real quick video. All these right here come from is a Habitat for Humanity. I think every one of these was half the price when I purchased them. First we got a set of Allen wrenches. Smitty Jr. A nice Nicholson rasp. Here's a Made in USA pipe cutter. Superior tool. Proto. Got a little bit of rust, but the tip looks pretty good on it. Here we have a Koa. I think it is Honda motorcycles. 50 cents, that would have been a quarter. Here we got a crescent wrench. Paid $1 for it. Got a little paint on it, but other than that thing's in real good condition. It's a Barcalow. That ought to clean up real nice. There's a socket. I think it says $1 on it. It's Smack Tools. I don't know if you can make that out or not. This is Proto. Set of nips, fencing pliers. Real good condition. Needs a little cleanup. Here we got a little wooden handle. Got a drill bit on the end of it. Auto kit. I've got several of these somewhere. I'm gonna clean this one up and set it to the side and see if I can't get a whole thing of them eventually. Eclipse 4732. Paid $1 for it. USA. I haven't looked this up to see what it's worth. Sherman Clove. For any of you that don't know, that is SK. So it's an old SK wrench. Ratchet. $2. So I paid $1 for it. Set of pliers. Billings. Looks like they've been painted. Soldering iron. Says it works. Utica. Real good condition. Use a little cleanup. Set of nips. $2. I can't make out the name on it once I clean it up. Maybe I can, but it says forged on this side. I can make out a JM. A little Stanley handyman hole saw. Five-piece punch chisel set, Bridgeton. I had never heard of that company until I bought this, and then when I looked it up, I could not find any comps on eBay. These do not look like they have ever been used. See the ends on them. one thing we don't never find at the Goodwills around here. Very, very seldom do I ever find any tools in a Goodwill here. Anyway, got a little set of tweezers, China, screwdrivers. These are China. There's a couple wood-handled screwdrivers here. A couple little China. Oh, I'm sorry. This one here's fuller. Japan. Thought all them was China. These are China. This here says India on it. Craftsman, a couple Craftsman sockets. That one's Taiwan. This one here's SK. Nice SK deep well. Ratchet's unmarked. It's China, I do believe. 8-in-1 USA Harley Davidson, but it has none of the bits in it. Little China bit driver, made in USA. Don't have a maker's mark on it. Speed ratchet, speed wrench. Does not have any name on it anywhere. 3/8 drive Craftsman's extension. Got some little set of precision screwdrivers. Another Craftsman deep well China. And a 1/4" extension, no branding on it. And another screwdriver that's broken. But here's a nice little set that was in that $8.99 box. Set of nut extractors. Nut or bolt extractors, however you want to say it. There's 10 pieces here. Don't know if you can make that out or not. Craftsman number 13 EXT USA, patent pending. So there's 10 pieces of them. Then at a different Goodwill, I run across this Ingersoll Rand. Little die grinder. Don't look like it's been used that much, and even if it has, these are a piece of cake to rebuild. I actually had a job for about 6 months. That's all I done was repair air tools, so these are not complicated at all. So if there is anything wrong with it, nothing to repair. It's got all the in. These was unmarked, but there's 4 deburrs that was in with that. That itself's worth the $10. That's a good deal. Got a set. This comes from just an little inside store. Set of connectors. Paid $4 for it. Can't beat that. It's got the pins. Got the male and female pins. That right there is anybody that does any kind of work on vehicles, electrical work or anything like that. Those are waterproof connectors. I consider that a smoking deal. And that concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching.